Today, let's talk about how to fix YouTube Premium not working. So if you've already subscribed to YouTube Premium and if you're having issues with it, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to do is ensure or verify your YouTube subscription status. So what you can simply do is head over to youtube.com and head over to your purchases and membership and look for if the subscription has expired. If this is not the case for you and if the subscription has not expired, also make sure that you are logged into the correct account. Also, if you have logged into more than 10 devices for this particular YouTube account that you have subscribed to or that you have enabled the premium subscription on, this may also be causing the issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then in this situation, what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of YouTube as well as update the application. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, secondly, head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for YouTube and make sure you update the application. Also, you can head over to a web browser and instead of using the application, you can use the web version. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.